Hello, everyone! Are you ready for story time? Today, I have a wonderful story about a bunny and her friends to share with you. Let's start! Bunny and the Magical Vegetables. In a sunny meadow, there lived a cute bunny named Bella. Bella loved to hop and play with her friends, Timmy the Turtle, Max the Mouse, and Lily the Lamb. Bella had one little problem. She didn't like vegetables. One day, Bella's friends noticed she looked tired after playing. "Bella, are you okay?" asked Timmy the Turtle. "I'm just a bit tired," said Bella. "I don't like vegetables, so I don't eat them." Lily the Lamb smiled. "Did you know vegetables are magical? They give us energy to play." Max the Mouse nodded. "Yes, carrots help us see in the dark. Spinach makes us strong. Broccoli keeps us healthy." Bella was curious. "Really? I didn't know that." Timmy the Turtle said, "Let's go to Farmer Fred's garden. He has the best vegetables." At the garden, Farmer Fred welcomed them.
"Hello, little friends. Would you like to try some fresh vegetables?" Bella hesitated but agreed to try. She nibbled a carrot. This is sweet. Next, she tasted some spinach. Wow, this makes me feel strong. Finally, she tried broccoli. "This is yummy too," Farmer Fred smiled. "Vegetables are full of vitamins. They help you grow big and strong." Bella felt a burst of energy. "I feel great. Thank you, Farmer Fred." Timmy, Max, and Lily cheered. "Now we can play all day." From that day on, Bella loved vegetables. She ate them every day and had lots of energy to hop and play with her friends. And so, Bella the bunny learned that vegetables are magical and help us stay healthy and strong.